Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about redundant phrases in the ACT English section. And what this is referring to is it's talking about when you are looking at a sentence and it's saying something twice. And what a lot of students tend to think is that they should have as long of an essay as possible and they should write as much as possible because more is better. But in actuality, on the ACT, the graders actually believe that more is not always better. And what they really prefer from you is to say what you want to say in the shortest way possible. So when you're doing the ACT English section and you're reading all of the answer choices, what you're going to want to look for are redundant phrases within each sentence. So I'll go through one example with you, but after this I'm going to have you try the drill by clicking on the button below and seeing if you can spot redundant phrases on your own. So one example of a redundant phrase is if I said that my parents have an annual New Year's Eve party every year. So when you're thinking about this sentence, annual already means that it happens once a year. So you don't have to say annual and every year. You would either pick one or the other. So you can say, my parents have an annual New Year's Eve party, or you could say, my parents have a New Year's Eve party every year. And the way that you'll understand which choice is correct is you're gonna just pick the one that's underlined. So on the ACT, if this were our sentence, both of these could never be underlined. They would probably just underline annual, and that would be answer choice B, and we would pick that, and that would be the correct answer. So as you're going through this drill, make sure you're keeping a close watch out for any redundant phrases, and that's going to be the actual error for the question. So take a shot at the drill and see how you do on these.